p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lumberville, or 19 miles northwest of Trenton, moving northeast. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Trees and power lines is possible. Locations and texts include Flemington, Pinnacle, High Bridge, Clinton, Glen Gardner, Captain, Allentown, Lebanon, Starton, Sargent, Arundel, Whitehall Station, Lumberville, and Sandbrook. This includes Interstate 78 in New Jersey to 20 Mile. Tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until eastern Pennsylvania. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties.